Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Mustang emblems. Start by warming the emblem edges with a heat gun or hair dryer to soften the adhesive quickly. Use a plastic trim tool to lift the emblem gently while protecting paint, then remove residue with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Position the new emblem using tape guides, press firmly for full contact, and allow adhesive to cure before driving again. I will walk you through removing the old emblem safely and preparing the surface for a perfect replacement. Heat the emblem edges to loosen glue, then slide a plastic trim tool under the emblem while supporting surrounding paint. Work slowly in small sections to avoid bending metal or chipping paint. Remove all adhesive residue with isopropyl alcohol, then dry the area fully before moving on to alignment and installation of the new emblem. In this ad break, I want to ask you to subscribe and like if this how-to is helping you, and consider a short recommendation. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and easy voice control to your garage while you tweak emblems or clean panels, making projects more fun. I've listed the link and other deals in the description, so check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Now we will align and attach the new emblem with care to get factory-looking results. Start by using masking tape to mark the center and height on the panel, or make a simple cardboard guide from the old emblem. Peel backing from 3M adhesive tape and apply it to the emblem, then press the emblem onto the panel with steady pressure for at least 30 seconds. Let the adhesive set before washing the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.